Honorable Chief Guest, Madam Professor Shashikala Banjari ji, respected Chairperson Madam, Secretary Sir, all the trustees of Satyam Group of Institutions, Principal Satyam College of Education, and all the other dignitaries on the dais. Teaching and non-teaching members of Satyam Group of Institutions, parents, mentors, and media members, and especially all the graduates of the batch 2023. I, Dr. Vandana Jaglan, on behalf of Satyam Fashion Institute, welcome you all to this graduation ceremony. And I am very happy to present the annual report for the past year. Let me first brief you on the institute. Satyam Fashion Institute was set up in the year 2007 as one of the premier design and media colleges in India, providing UGC approved courses in affiliation with SNDT University, Mumbai. The institute is offering undergrad programs in the field of Bachelor of Design, in the specialization Fashion Design, Textile Design, Lifestyle Accessories and Fashion Communication. Bachelor of Arts, Mass Media, with the specialization in Advertising and PR, Journalism and Video Editing. Postgraduate Diploma in Fashion Design. And I am very delighted to announce that 2 more postgraduate degree programs have been started from the academic year 2023 and 24, which is Master in Design Interdisciplinary and MA in Mass Communication and Journalism. I also take immense pride in sharing that Satyam Fashion Institute has received its quality accreditation from NAC in the year 2023 and has been awarded with grade A with a CGPA of 3.18. This is indeed a benchmark for providing quality education, and we aim to continue this in future as well. Now I would like to mention some of the key quality initiatives taken by the institute. Satyam Fashion Institute continues to be Swayam NPTEL local chapter where our students are completing certificate programs every year. Satyam Fashion Institute has completed 2 certificate programs approved by Center for Holistic Education Training and Novel Advancements, Chetna, from SNDT University and have started for 4 more programs. The institute is the member of DELNET, NLIST, MSME and Confederation of Indian Industries for enhancing digital literacy of our students. We have also conducted panel talk on women entrepreneurial schemes under W20 programs on the topic digital gender equality as per the university guidelines. For supporting the sustainable development, there is an implementation of green policy for energy and water conservation in the entire campus. The college is known for its effective disposal of e-waste and sustainable design practices. I am also delighted to share that with the support of our management, we launched Earn While You Learn opportunities for our students in the year 2020. And since then, there has been now an increase in the enrollment of students by almost 5 times, where students are performing co-curricular activities at college level. So we are really happy for this contribution of our students in this area. Thank you to all the students. Towards training skilled and competent professionals for design and media industry. For conducting industrial training of our students, we have close associations with Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts, Noida Heart Samiti, Birla Cellulose Group and Textile Association of India, and important news channels and media houses such as ABP News, India Today, All India Radio, News 18, News 24, Republic Bharat, etc. Now I would like to tell you about the faculty development activities taken in SFI. With an interdisciplinary approach in teaching, our esteemed faculty members come from different specializations showing a rich experience in terms of academics and industry. They are making constant efforts to stay updated by publishing papers, chapters and books in their respective specializations. In this academic year, Dr. Neetu Malhotra, Vice Principal SFI, published two of her papers in UGC Care Journal and one in Scopus Index Journal. She also co-authored a book titled A Research Methodology. She also published chapters in ISBN allotted books. Let's have a round of applause. Ms. Priyanka Sarkar has submitted her PhD thesis to the University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. And 3 of our faculty members are pursuing their doctoral program, Ms. Nidhi Yadav, Ms. Prachi Agarwal, and Mr. Aditya. Ms. Priyanka Sarkar also authored the book titled Women and Media. Dr. M. Alam, Dean Mass Media, has also authored the book titled Introduction to Broadcast. Our faculty members Dr. Sakshi Shail, Ms. Ishika Sharma, Dr. Preeti Singh and Ms. Nidhi Yadav have completed UGC approved orientation programs and refresher courses. 2 of our non-teaching members have also successfully completed national level workshops and certificate programs, Mr. Lakshman Rawat and Ms. Abhilasha. All the heads of department have successfully completed the NEP orientation and sensitization program which was conducted by NEPA under the able guidance of our Chief Chair. Now, especially talking about the batch of 2023, about their academic performance. In the batch of 2023, there were 46 students in undergrad and postgrad program collectively. Out of these, 67% students attained distinction. The pass percentage of the batches is as follows: 84% in B Design program, 100% in PG Diploma program, and 93% in BA Mass Media program. And I feel extremely proud to share that in the design department, Ms. Ananya Majumdar is the topper at university level in redesign fashion communication with a percentage of 85%. Ms. Akanksha Sharma is the topper at university level redesign textile design with the percentage of 82.9%. Ms. Vinakshi Prakash is the topper at university level in redesign lifestyle accessories program with 77.3%. And all these university toppers were presented with gold medals in the 73rd annual convocation held in SNDT Women's University on 17th February 2024. I am also delighted to share that Ms. Astha Kesarwani is the topper at college level in redesign fashion design program 78.4%. Ms. Yashi Mittal is the topper at college level in PG Diploma in Fashion Design program with 86.8%. Now talking about the BA Mass Media program, Ms. Akanksha Chauhan and Ms. Diksha Pandey are among the top 5 students of university at the university level. And Ms. Akanksha Chauhan is also the topper at college level in specialization, advertisement and PR with 84.8%. Whereas Ms. Diksha Pandey attained 82.8%. Ms. Gursimran Kaur is the college level topper for BA Mass Media Animation with the percentage of 76.4%. Ms. Isha Tyagi is the topper at college level for BA Mass Media Journalism 79.9%. So we congratulate all the students for their stellar performance. Apart from the academic achievements, our students have also shown marvelous participation in extracurricular activities and inter-college competitions during their journey with SFI. I would like to share a few of these. As an entrepreneurial skill development activity, the students of all the programs participated in product exhibition during international event Home Decor, Gifts and Houseware, SGH India in Expo Mart, Greater Noida. Fashion and textile design students participated in season 5 of Couture Runway Week held in ITC Welcome Hotel Dwarka, where they showcased their garment collections and won awards in different categories. The students of all the batches also participated in garment and product display during the SOTEX Mill Meet 2022. So I feel deeply privileged to share these noteworthy achievements of our students and wish to achieve highest academic and professional standards in the future as well. To conclude my report, I would like to add that graduation ceremony is a day devoted to celebrating an important point in a student's life. So the students, please be driven by integrity, empathy and compassion as you contribute to the society and shape the future. Always be grateful to your parents, your teachers who have played an important role in grooming your personality. As you embark on your respective journeys, please stay connected with your alma mater and cherish the memories you have made here. I would like to once again congratulate to all the graduates and urge to all of you to bring in a note of positivity around you. With this, I present the class of 2023 for their graduation ceremony. Thank you, everyone.